subscribe to me. There you go. It won't zoom in the video.
Let it build up a little bit.
Hola.
I freaking missed it, man.
Oh God! It scared me so. That bit pumpkin's gonna be a mess. It is.
What? I freaking missed it.
Oh, bye, Sally.
All right. I need somebody. I'll wait.
Pick me.
Me.
Pick me.
I want somebody to, well,
Pick me.
I don't know, the ground might be a little wet.
His voice.
Who's got video?
Me.
Me.
I tried to get a video. But
Everybody.
I want you to lay down right below it.
Okay, yeah, I'm gonna lay down.
She was on grassy and wood.
Lucy, don't lay down yet. He's not doing it.
She's gonna scream and drop her phone.
She's gonna fall. Watch her fall.
I think like she's in the face.
It's like this shot of Lucy's face.
I really should crack like bottom straight off this side.
Yeah, I was missing mine.
I really could probably.
I'd scream too. I'd freaking
She's gonna go
freak
deaf
out.
right there.
Watch out, Lucy.
Don't go deaf. She's gonna go deaf. Burn smell just kicked in.
He just wanted to get all over her.
It's not that bad.
Holy cow. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go.
Like water.
She's so scared.
She's like looking away.
I'm gonna laugh if it hits her in the head.
Butterfinger.
I'm back here behind the tall people.
She's covered in pumpkin. This should be fun.
Turn up the brightness.
Philip.
Go get Mr. Fun.
Can I go get him?
Class, his class. Go ahead.
A lot
We're going to do the big one now.
in there. Yeah, you feel like the whole thing.
His name is Philip.
Stuff in it.
Yay!
Go